Are you ready for a massive Dollar Tree haul? Stick around. Okay guys, so before we get started with the haul, I just wanted to make an announcement. I'm going to get through July. I've made a lot of commitments to my YouTube channel, and then in August I'm going to take a step back because I need more organization. If you guys are going to take the time to watch my videos, I want to make sure I'm delivering quality content and what you're looking for. So you may not even notice the change, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I'll still be doing the same type of things, but I need more structure. So with that being said, let's just get into this Dollar Tree haul. And I do have fall items, and I'm gonna save those for last, the best for last. So let's get started. One Mr. Clean, I love these. Picked up a basket for a DIY. This came from Michael's, so it's really not part of my haul, but I'll show it to you in case you saw it in there. Okay, Scott tissue, grabbed a couple of those. Athletic low-cut socks, women's, you get 3 pair. There's a blue stripe, a white stripe, and a pink stripe. Great deal on those. And I just bought this little 4-function pocket tool. It's a knife, saw, can opener, and nail file. I just want that to throw it in my purse. I grabbed a couple of pillowcases for a DIY. I'm not sure which one I want to use, so I got both. This is just a desktop organizer. I needed something to put little doodads in. I did find some Vaseline, like chapstick, but it's the Vaseline Lip Therapy, 4.8 ounces. A willow wreath, and let's see if it tells what size. It does not. It's not the little bitty one, it's not a great big one, so I'm gonna call it a medium. And I bought this 3-piece funnel set, and I have a DIY that I'll be doing with these. Napkins. I just grabbed these. You know, I use these in decoupaging a lot, and I liked this striped print a lot. And this is just a weekly planner for 2020. Nothing fancy, looks like that. Some floral foam, it's just different little sizes in there. There's like 3, 6, 8 pieces total. Just a plain white candle. And it's 7 ounces. ABC 1, 2, 3 stickers. These are the smaller size, and there are 370 in here. Wow, I didn't realize that when I picked them up, but it's quite a bit. But they are the smaller ones. They had a 2-pack of lighters for $1. I thought that was a good deal. And the Dermasil Lab facial cream. This is the daily facial cream with vitamin E. 2 fluid ounces. I use this, and my daughter told me today she has eczema, and she said this works really well on her face with the eczema. There's a lot of products that she cannot use. The car air fresheners, essential blends. This is pink grapefruit. I have tried a mint and then a lemon, and you can smell them sometime. They're not the greatest, but they're pretty good. One little candle holder. 2 scrunchies. Well, they're called fashion accessories. Black and a gray. And this is in a scoop with a soft gripped handle. Thought I would, my ice maker's not working, so I'm using ice trays or bagged ice right now. So I thought this would be good in the ice tray in the freezer. I found the larger craft sticks. There's 60 in here. They do have a pack with 100 and they're smaller than this, so I was glad to find these. I picked up some of the new washcloths. I didn't get the hand towels, but you get 2 to a pack. This one says so fresh, so clean. These are 12 by 12 and they're 100% cotton. And then I got the one that says relax. And the one that says tranquil. And it is 2 to a pack for $1. I found the cutest tape dispenser, guys. I have not seen this. I've not seen anyone haul it, but it is a flamingo. And you put your tape in, and it's just a little cute dispenser. That's all it says. Tape dispenser, flamingo. So yeah, I thought that was cute. Let's see if I can get that glare off. There we go. I picked up a shovel in the kids section for a DIY. I found this, it's called banner art paper. It's 28 inches by 5 feet, and it looks like the wood grain. A red candle for a Christmas DIY, I'm sure. They've got school supplies out. I only picked up a few things. I got 2 composition books for the girls. And there's 100 sheets in each of these. This one says, you make it rain rainbows. And that one just has the kitty cats. And I picked up a pack of construction paper. There's 36 pieces in this pack. Forgot I had these salt and pepper cashews. And then these are called Way Better Nacho Cheese tortilla chips. They're whole grain corn. It says taste the sprouted difference, non-GMO. I really like these. They don't, you know, like another name brand that has all the cheese on it. I think it's just too much cheese. And these are not like that. They're really good. So if you see them, grab them and try them. Okay, so now for the fall items. I found a couple of cookie cutters. There's a ghost and a pumpkin. And a ton of more florals. I'll try to, I put these in another bag. Some of these are repeat purchases, but this one is the grass with feather. And then this is a pick, and it just says fall pick. It has a little pumpkin on it. That's what that one looks like. And here's another fall pick. Same thing. These are the pomegranates. If I can, hang on. Okay, pomegranates. I'm not sure how many I got. I see 2. I got a feeling I have 3, but that's the pomegranate. These are called bittersweet. I'm loving the fall items, guys. I can't wait. I have so many DIYs in mind. These are sunflowers with cattail and some of these little things. And another one. Those are gorgeous. These, I believe, are, yep, mini mums. I have a white, a red, and an orange. This is called wheat. If you're really close to it, this does look plasticky like, but maybe in an arrangement, you know, probably be fine. There's more grass with feathers. Oh, there's the other pomegranate. I knew I had it. I picked up, I've used this one, but I picked up 4 of these garlands. These 2 just have the leaves. And I used part of this one too, but one had an acorn on it and then these little berries. And then the other had a little pumpkin on it. I think, no, it wasn't a pumpkin, it was a gourd. Okay, so that is it for the florals. I lied, have some more florals, but they're the Halloween. The black roses with eyeballs. That's all for the florals. Okay, so I found these. It just says decor. So there's the scarecrow, and I'm not sure what they're, I don't know. But anyway, this is what they look like. I'm sure you could use them in wreaths, in a tablescape, a vignette. Be really cute. Then they had the pumpkin. It almost looks like you could put, oh, wait a minute. Well, I don't know why you would do, no, never mind. I was thinking you could put a picture in there. And I think you actually could, because these lift up. And you could put a picture in there if you wanted to. Now, you wouldn't want to on the scarecrow. Well, I guess you could. You could put somebody's face in there. That'd be funny. And then you have the owl. So yeah, if you want to stick a picture in there, I'm sure you could work it out. So I'll just hold these up one more time. Cute, cute, cute. Scarecrow, pumpkin, and owl. All right. Found 2 signs. One is welcome friends. And the other is a pumpkin again, and it says hello fall. This one has some glitter. It's not too awfully much. It's just on the fall words. Has the white pumpkin, little raffia up here. This one has barely any glitter on friends. Little sunflower and raffia again. But these are really cute, guys, and for Dollar Tree, they've got a little base. They stand up. Cute, cute, cute. Then I found some little plaques, and I did get 2 of each of these. This one says thankful, grateful, blessed. I'm not crazy about all the glitter they have on these. I'm not sure what I will do about that. This one's pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. See if they have the size. They do not have the size on these, but I'm gonna say they're probably 3 by 5 maybe. And this is Gather with Grateful Hearts. So the white one, the orange one, and the black. All right. And I have a solar dancing turkey. They had a couple of things. I don't even remember what, but I like the turkey, so I got him. And this is an old Williamsburg candle. The scent is leaves. 3 ounces. Smells good. We'll see how it throws. I'll let you know. And then pumpkins. And these are, I guess, ceramic. But here's the first one. And I tell you guys, for $1, you can't beat these. Because I was in Hobby Lobby, and they had some that were the same size, maybe a tiny bit bigger, and they were like anywhere from $5 to $10 and up. You know how it is at Hobby Lobby. But for $1, you can't beat this. There's those two. Then I have a green. I don't know if this is a pumpkin or a gourd. It looks like a pumpkin to me. That's that one. And then this one's really unique. It's different. Okay, and then the last two are white, and this is that one. And again, they are the ceramic. This one has a different texture. It's more of a matte. It has the little middle leaf attached to the top. So that's what that looks like. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul today. And if you have subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much for all your support. And if you haven't, I would love to have you join my family. So remember, guys, like, comment, and share. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.